Hi, this is the Mini Dirt Devil handheld vacuum cleaner. I'll talk about the pros first, then the cons after. It's very light and easy to carry. I really like that it is wireless, so you don't have to plug it in when using it. What can we do with it? We already have the robot vacuum, but in some situations a robot vacuum or big vacuum is not helpful. Here are the crumbs on the high chair after my son ate his snacks. We just need to grab the mini vacuum and clean it quickly. Sometimes we even vacuum my son's clothes if there are too many crumbs on him. He loves it. Then we use it to vacuum his high chair area. We also use it to clean the kitchen counter when we cook. If you flip this crevice tool out, you can vacuum in crevices and compact corners. Here are a few cons. It's small, so you want to keep it plugged in to charge, so it's always ready for you to use when needed. It'll take a long time to vacuum a big room if you use it. That's why you want to have a bigger vacuum as well. Overall, I think it's very useful for a quick cleaning for small and compact areas. I would purchase the vacuum again and recommend it to family and friends.